Yeah.
Let's start from the beginning.
Okay. Okay. Brr.
Yeah, it's cold. I'm Tom,
I'm Mike.
and we're with Team Pro Cycle, and we're here to introduce, explain the video you're about to see of us trying to ride through the woods on the TW200 and suspension upgrades that we did to it. What did we do?
We did the Cogent fork solution kit with the 6.0s up front and the full Movavi Cogent shock in the rear.
And it was standard, right, in the rear?
Standard, yes,
Okay.
yeah. And for our weight, you know, even up to 260, 270, that's where you're going to want to go. It's a night and day difference. You go from something that wallers in the mud to something that prances in the mud.
Yeah, no, exactly. As you'll see in the video, there's some pretty good sized boulders and stumps that we went through, and we actually were able to kind of fly through them with comfort, especially being on a TW bike that we don't get to ride very often.
Yeah.
I think it was awesome. I think it was an awesome upgrade.
It did. A lot of
Cogent
that
makes some good stuff.
Yes, they do. And a lot of that stuff that you would hit on the stock suspension would send you sideways or bounce you up, where there's a few stumps I could just bunny hop over them. The ruts, every rocks, it just, it was like a mini dirt bike.
Yeah, no, it definitely was. And I know you didn't get to ride it the first time we went out there without the suspension upgrades. But for me, there was some stuff where I definitely had to okay, I'm coming in this corner. I need to slow way down. Otherwise, I was going to almost G out or something through the turn. And you could just feel it just suck, bottom out. And then it's still like your body's wanting to go, or you overshoot a turn or something because it was just suspension was just all out of whack for our weight.
With the brake dive too, and you'd come in and I rode it around a little bit when we first got it to the shop, just around the parking lot and stuff, and it was very anemic handling wise. As the great Carl says, it's kind of like riding a wheelbarrow full of mercury. It's kind of all over the place.
Yeah, no, that's good.
But you guys enjoy. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. Email, text, phone lines. Give us a call. We're here to get you taken care of, and we're here to get you back on the road and enjoy the back roads or no roads. It's weird.
It's not your T7 by any means, but
No, and that's what I gotta get used to, like the difference of it. But it's weird, like standing up honestly is more comfortable than sitting down right now. But yeah, I mean, you feel like you're on a little trials bike.
right.
Yeah. There's some big mud puddles down there.
Is there?
Yeah. And second gear, first gear short.
Dude, it is. It really is.
Off the ground.
See if you'll feel it. Here it is.
Here's what is I am.
Yeah. What happened up there? I heard you.
Oh, I was getting tired. So I was like, the last one, I was like, I'm going to stop when I see him. Then I went by. I started just bunny hopping it after that. I was like, oh, that works out really good. No, it's the first time I ever got to really ride that. That's fun to do.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. Like, once all my bikes are purchased.
Yeah. I was thinking to myself, like, third lap around, I got to get one of these for Ashley.
Oh, dude. Perfect little camping bike.
Yeah.
You know, you camp somewhere like up there and you can
Buzz
get the little trails near you.
I mean, her 230 is really nice, but this is a little bit more off-road. So, yeah, my heated grips were good. I could feel them.
You could feel them?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Well, and I know you didn't get to really ride it with the stock suspension, but what do you think?
Dude, that for me.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I could imagine with the stock, it would be like riding a wheelbarrow floor.
That's where I'm interested to see how this goes.
Yeah. But
Dude, it's killer, man.
Dude, yeah.
I love it.
And there'll be, I think it's up here where there's rocks and ruts. All right. Get warm?
Oh shit.
Dude, it's...
What was I hitting on that, by that tree? It was the stump?
I think it was with like your foot peg. Because there's that big stump there, yeah, so. No, I'm impressed.
Suspension, definite improvement over...
Over stock, oh yeah.
Because there was like those where I'd come through and I was hitting up there. Before I had to baby it through there because I was so like...
Right.
Or I would...
G out. And...
When I would hook that turn around that tree going left, it would just... You'd feel it suck all the way down.
Right.
And then almost bottom out. You want to go another run?
I'll take another few.
You're like, all right,
I guess. I was going to call it good, but yeah, no.
Okay.
All right, guys, out of my second lap, I wanted to let you guys know with the extra 5 inches of rise off this Tall Bar kit, me being 6'4", it is a life changer. I can stand up, sit down comfortably, and control the bike like it was made for me. All right, guys, I hope you really enjoyed that video as much as we enjoyed making it. Don't forget to smash the like button, give us a follow on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Connect with us, reach out to us. We love to hear from our customers. It's cold, Tom.
Yeah, no, it's cold.
Yes. We're going to go back down to the valley where there is no snow and get back to work.
That way.
Yeah, a few 100 feet downhill. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget, adventure begins here.